Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. Today we are going to start a new subject with the name Programming in Python for the Natural and Social Sciences. First of all, you should understand that what are the natural sciences. In this, we are dealing with physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and many more. And in social sciences, we are dealing with the statistics, economics, geography, and many more subjects. So keep in mind, in this course we will use Python to solve problems relating to statistics, physics, engineering, and all these subjects. Now, Python is a high level interpreted programming language known for its readability, simplicity, and versatility. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is widely used in various fields including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and many more. Its clean syntax and powerful libraries makes it a favorite among beginners and experienced developers alike. Remember, this course does not assume any background in programming. Now, let's talk about the key features of Python through which we are preferring this Python over other high level programming language. In this context, the first one is readability. Python syntax is designed to be readable and straightforward, making it easier to understand and write code. The second one is versatility. Python support multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. The third one is, and the most important one in my view, is extensive libraries. Python has a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks such as NumPy, Pandas, Django, Flask, and TensorFlow, which extend its capability. The fourth one is community support. Python has a large and active community that contributes to its developments and provide extensive documentation and support. Now, today's agenda is first we will download the Python. In the second phase, we will download Visual Studios. And in the third phase, we will integrate both Python and VS Code. So let us directly jump to setting up the environment. First, we will download Python and we will test for the version setting, and then we will write a small program to test that whether it is installed correctly or not. Let's go directly to the screen. Okay, first of all, I open my Chrome. I'm using Chrome. You can open your own browser. Here in the address bar, you have to write python.org and press the enter. After pressing the enter key, you have to bring your mouse pointer over downloads, and here you have to see that Python 3.12.4. This is the latest version I am installing at the time of this recording. So click on it and the download is started. You have to wait when the download is completed, then you can double click on it and then you will have to install. Okay, Ladies and gentlemen, you can see that the download is completed and we have to click on it and the installation process will begin. Here you have to install, click on install now if you are not an experienced programmer. But if you are a professional programmer, you will click on the customize installation, and in this you can install different components according to your choice. First of all, you have to add pythons.exe to path, so it means that you can run it from anywhere, from any prompt inside your computer. Here I am clicking on the customize installation. This documentation is not that much important. Pip is Python packages which we will need at the later part. So here all the selected components, you should leave it as it is and click on the next. Here you have to click on install Python 3.12 3.12 for all user, and you can install it in program files Python 312. If you want to change the location, you can change the location. Leave all these option as it is and click directly on install. It is requiring an administrative uh, a privilege, so you have to click on yes and the installation process will start. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the setup was successful. Then we have to close, and then we have to click on the search button, and here we have to write the CMD, and then we will click the open. Here we will have to write Python double dash and version. So it means that we have installed Python 3.12.4 successfully. Now, if you want to write any program inside it, an IDLE, and here you have to open it. It is integrated development and learning environment provided by the Python. So it is installed. Here I am writing uh, print and writing that this is the first program, and then I am writing enter and it is run. So it means that we have successfully installed this was the first step. Now in the second step, you have to go to the Google, and here you have to write VS Code. So when you are writing VS Code, you will see that the official website is here. It is showing the name as well, and when the VS Code is here, we have to open that VS Code. Download for Windows, you can download it for Mac operating system and Linux as well. At the time being, we are clicking on download for Windows, and the download will start when you click on the download. So it is starting right now, and you will see that it will take time. Okay, dear student, the installation is complete. You have to click on the setup exe.file file and the installation process will start immediately. Here you have to accept the license agreement, that is the Microsoft license agreement. If you are not selecting it, then you will not be able to proceed further. So therefore click on next, and then you have to locate that location where you want to install it. Click on next, and in the next part you have to select the name. First of all, you have to click this option, and then after this option you have to click on the next, and the installation process will begin momentarily. Once the installation is completed, then you can launch this program according to your choice. Here you can see that the installation is completed. I am unchecking this option because I want to run this program through proper channel. So then I have to click on this button close, and the installation is completed. Now I have to launch this program. Write VS Code in the start button and click on the open, and when I click on the open button, the Visual Studio is started. First of all, you have to click on this cross button and then explore. You have to tell the folder where all the activities will be done. So click on that browse. I am selecting Python and then click on OK. So I have selected this environment. Then you have to click on this button, and that is I trust the author. Now you have to install the plugins. The plugins are always extending the feature of a language. So here you have to click on install. It will take time. You have to wait for it, and after waiting, after installation, your environment will be ready and you can write a program inside it as well. So ladies and gentlemen, now our environment is okay. I can test a program. Here I am writing print, and in the double quotation marks I am writing welcome to the world of micro brain. This is a simple message, and it will provide you to test your environment. Now right click, and you have to come down, and here you have to select this option, and then in the terminal, then you have to go to the terminal, and after the terminal you can see that it will run the program, and after the program is run you can check. Here it goes, it is saying that welcome to the world of microbrain. It means that we have correctly integrated the VS code. Now I want to tell you one thing more, and click on the file, and then click on the uh, preferences, and then click on the setting, and in the settings you have to click the change the font size from 14 to 20. Now if you want to see all these things, then you have to click on the cross button and you will feel the difference. Now you can see that it is printed in uppercase letter. Okay, dear students, congratulations. You have successfully installed Python on your computer. You can now start exploring Python and its extensive libraries to build your projects. To write and execute Python code, you can use the Integrated Development Environment IDE like Charm, VS Code, or even simple text editor like Sublime Text or Notepad++. Thank you for your time. Have a nice time. Bye.